How to choose a virtual background in Zoom. So if you want to quickly go ahead and choose a virtual background in your Zoom call, as you can see, I'm in my Zoom call right now. Now, if I want to choose a virtual background, what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on this arrow over here on the camera section. Once you click on it, it says choose virtual background. So you're going to choose that and you can choose any background that you want, okay? So you have San Francisco, you have grass, you have the beach, you have northern lights. So whatever you want, you can choose it. And as you can see now, I have a virtual background. And obviously right now my camera is closed. So if I were to open my camera up and show you how it's, supposed to look. So let me show you. So as you can see, once your camera is open, it's going to look something like this. Obviously it needs to detect your face and stuff, but once it does, you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much about it. That is how you can add a virtual background to your Zoom call. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.